Well, when I first started this online thing about a year and a half ago, I wasn't sure what a funnel was, other than, I put it on top of my engine, pour some Pennzoil in a funnel, and it goes right in that little hole. That why my engine is just nice and lubricated. I actually look like a Pennzoil bottle right now, I just realized. Can someone possibly wear any more yellow? Even my Suburban, my little hot rod Suburban, it looks kind of yeller, doesn't it? All right, well, anyway. A funnel. Okay, funnel cake. Those are delicious. All right, a funnel. My family's from Iowa. Boy, when you hear there's a funnel, you run for cover, okay? Could be a hurricane or a tornado or some kind of crazy wind thing going on. But what is a funnel when you're doing online marketing or, network marketing, MLM, whatever it's called, online business? I'm going to show you what my funnel is, how I do it, how you can buy it if you'd like. But I just want to show you why it's effective. Okay? You always hear 5x, 10x, 20x. When I got a funnel, I went from 1 income per click to 4. There's 4 opportunities, which I'm going to show you. Okay? So to 4x your income, that's awesome. But when it comes to nickels and dimes, quarters, or $100 bills, okay, it's nice that you go from like 25 bucks to 200, 300, maybe 400 bucks. Okay. 1 click. There's just more things that all complement each other, like going to a shopping mall, except shoes, bicycles, t-shirts, maybe the food court. Okay. When you go to a funnel, it's the equivalent of going to a shopping mall that, okay, there's taco shells, taco meat, cheese, sour cream, and maybe some good old hot sauce. Okay, there's 4 or 5 things that really make that taco kick ass. Or maybe you go across and you'll want to order a nice hot fudge sundae. All right, ice cream, hot fudge, awesome. Whipped cream, cherry. All right, there's things that complement each other that make one hell of a hot fudge sundae or maybe a taco. But when you go to my shopping mall, my funnel, okay, you're going to join opportunities, and they all take care of each other. They're designed to get you clicks, leads, educate you how to get those clicks and leads. Do you want to buy traffic? Okay. All right. You want to buy from a good source that's legit. You want to join opportunities that you really believe in and you can afford. No nonsense where you get a credit card and you max it out thousands of dollars, and before you know it, you're out all that money, and then you're taking 6 months to a year to pay it off. Okay. I don't like to do that. I don't go to bed at night feeling good about that. I like when you go to bed and you can afford what you're buying, not living amongst your means. That's very popular here in America, and maybe if you're in another country, it might be popular too. Your neighbor might across the street have an Escalade or a house or just insane things that they're financing. And, they make $5,000 a month, but it costs $6,000 a month to live how they do. Okay. I'm not looking for that. I don't like the pressure of that. I don't like to go to bed at night knowing that if you join the opportunities that I highly recommend, that you're freaking out and you're robbing your kids' piggy bank for college. Okay? So rest assured, when I show you this funnel, all the costs are 100%. They are just right up on your screen. Okay? Not a penny more, a penny less. So don't think that, oh, and then there's more. Okay, I don't do the upsell stuff. It's like if I say it's 49 bucks, guys, it's 49. Okay? If you join an opportunity and it's 49.95, you bet your butt that's exactly what it is. Okay? So I just wanted to kind of state that the first couple minutes that we chat here. And I'm going to shrink myself down. Now I'm going to show you how you can go and check out this funnel. Then I'm going to show you the back office, what it looks like if you do want to join. Okay? So I'm going to magically become tiny up here on the top left of your screen, okay? How's that sound? Now, I want you can, and let me just show you my business card. At the end of the day, that's always the easiest way, because sometimes when you show someone something on the screen, they visualize it. But I bought pleasewatchvideo.com because I used to just always say, please watch video. I'd say it 1,000 times. And I thought, well, let me get a hold of GoDaddy, see if the darn thing's available. And you know what? It was. So when you click this pleasewatchvideo.com, you're going to go to a pretty cool page. Now, let me show you what it is. If you want to go to corydraper.com, this is what my website looks like. And if you go to the multiple income funnel, see 1, 2, 3 down, click it. Or if you go to pleasewatchvideo.com, guys, this is exactly what it looks like. Now, I did not build this page. This is just called a capture page. It's where you watch this video, click the red button if you want more information. You can put your name and email address in and get more information or join. Okay, I'm totally into sun and fun on the beach, guys, so I picked this capture page. Guys, I've signed up well over 400 people, 400 or more, using this exact page. Guys, this is your page if you want it too, if you want to join this funnel system. Okay, now let me show you what the back office looks like, but please watch this video. It's entertaining. Get yourself a drink and watch it. It's real fun. Okay, so pleasewatchvideo.com, watch the YouTube video. Click that red little button right there. Now, if you join, you're going to log in and it's going to look exactly like this page. Okay, so step 1, 2, 3, and 4. You want to set up your funnel. All right. The funnel is designed for people that have 1 or 2 businesses online that they'd like to put in stream 2 and 3 here. Now, if you have no idea what business you want to do, guys, you can make a ton of dough, trust me, just by offering this funnel system. Now, I'm in a company called Legacy Builders Program, My Lead Gen, and LIVEGOOD. All right, I have a handful of opportunities that I can tell you about, and guys, they all make me money. As of December 5th, 2024, everything I recommend makes me money every single day like clockwork. I will never promote anything that does not make me money. I'm not looking for a hobby. I'm not looking for an opportunity that takes you a month to set up. I want you to make money now. I mean, the day that you join, if you join this opportunity in the morning, I want you to be able to make money by afternoon or evening, or at least the next day. It all depends. Everybody has a different, availability, a different life. Okay. So set aside a few hours a day and get excited about doing this. I think online business is fun. But if you join, you're going to just follow step 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you're going to come up with 2 really good opportunities that make you money. I will totally help you if you don't have any. But if you have your own, good. You're going to put them in stream 2 and 3. Now, the first income is just this funnel alone. Okay, guys, it's $49. If you got $49, I highly recommend you come aboard. Now, if you want to get this whole system for the year and save hundreds and hundreds of bucks, it's a $300 upgrade. I tell you exactly what is offered to you. You can do $49 for the month, and then next month, earn some money and get the funnel again, $49 a month. Or there's a one-time upgrade where you pay $300, guys, you're done for the year. But go according to budget. Please go according to budget. Now, income stream number 2, Legacy Builders Program. See, after I upload it, it'll automatically take you. Oh, whoops. You know what, guys? Let me hit the right button here. I just realized I went to the wrong button. Let me just show you what it looks like. My stream. Okay. Legacy Builders. Now, if people click this, do you see how it goes to Michelle? It goes to a YouTube video. And if people want to sign up, they just hit this blue button here. Everything I do is set up once. I invite them to watch a short movie, and the little video takes care of everything. Same with My Lead Gen. See number 3? This is a kick-ass opportunity. And if you'd like to look into it, just go to orderleadstoday.com. You don't have to go through the funnel. Orderleadstoday.com. Guys, for $1 a day, you get 1 to 200 email leads. That's $3,000 to $6,000 a month for only $30. Okay? So you can watch this nice little video. If you want to join, hit that blue button that says sign up today. Okay? So I have an email program. Number 4, Traffic Authority owns this funnel system. To me, they're the Harvard University of Education, and you can also buy leads, clicks, traffic, and send to whatever capture page or opportunity you want. Okay? A lot of times I just send traffic to My Lead Gen. Guys, these guys pay me about $2,500 a month. I've got 400 or 500 people doing this every single day, just sending out emails to people, getting comfortable promoting their business. So you can see my 4 income streams. The funnel, hundreds of bucks a day come in. Legacy Builders Program, guys, yesterday I made $3,000. Now, I can't promise you have the same results as me. Results, are they typical? I don't know. You might make more or less. But guys, I want you to copy what I do. I blatantly beg you, if you have no experience in this business, just go ahead and copy exactly what I do, and then you figure out your own little style and techniques. But right now, all I can tell you, as of December 5th, 2024, everything I do, I show you how I configure this back page. I tell you exactly what I spend on leads, traffic, okay, how to be an affiliate, $20 here to be an affiliate for Traffic Authority, $49 if you want this funnel, okay? Legacy Builders Program, hey, you want to buy the programs? Could be $100, could be $900. It's really up to your budget, guys. But set aside a few $100. Come aboard. All right, I'll help you. There's support for both Traffic Authority and this funnel. All right, Mandy's awesome up in Canada. The owner, Greg, is just the coolest guy in Tallahassee, Florida. Okay, I'm really good at this funnel system. In fact, I've been #1 in this company as far as recruiting people, 7 out of the last 8 months. They have contests every month from $1,000 cash, big screen TVs, laptops, luggage, microwaves. Guys, if you lived here in Salt Lake City and wanted to come down to my warehouse, I have so much stuff stacking up right now. I keep winning, and it's a good feeling. All right, this is a legit funnel. They work. All I can tell you is it works for me to have a funnel versus just inviting you directly to an opportunity like Legacy or directly to my lead gen. Now, sure, I do make money by directly saying, guys, please go to this link. But when you go to the funnel, I like where there's a video you can watch. And then you can go to the next opportunity. And are you into LiveGood? Do you want to look into it? You can go to joincory.com, check it out. You can go to corydraper.com and look at all 7. Look at that. Boom. 5 and 2. Or should I do 4 and 3? Okay. Or I can stand up, do 3, 3, and stand naked and do 7. Okay. Or is that 6.5? Okay. But anyway, all I do is invite people to links to a video. And then the video, it does the recruiting. It does all the information about the product or the service. And you just set up that once. If you join any of my opportunities, you set them up one time and invite people to a link. I always recommend GoDaddy. I think they're the best. And that's because 24 hours a day, you can call and there's a live person that can just go, what can I do for you? Well, I want pleasewatchvideo.com, and will you forward it to the capture page to the funnel? Okay, what's the funnel link, sir? Ba 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 ba. Give myself 5 to 10 minutes to propagate. Sometimes it takes a day. And you know what? When you click pleasewatchvideo.com, I paid $11 for that domain name. And for free, GoDaddy forwards it to this whole presentation, that page with the palm tree. And after that, there's nothing for me to do. I just sit back. I usually get an email and say, hey, somebody signed up. You know what? And that's a lead. And if they want to join, I get a hold of them and say, hey, you know what? If you want to join and have any questions, let me know. They can get a hold of Mandy in customer support. She's awesome at helping you set things up. And if you join, I'm going to show you exactly how I set up the back office, exactly how I email, exactly how I make videos, exactly how I post on social media. I don't want you to have to guess about anything. I want you to get to the earning. Learning is fun. You can get addicted to watching learning videos all day long, but at the end of the day, let's get you earning while you're learning. Let's do that, please. I want you to feel good about getting your investment back. Guys, if you go ahead and sign up for the $49, I want you to get it back. I want you to get it back in a day. If you upgrade for $300 and do the one-time upgrade that saves you tons of money, guys, I want you to get that $300 back fast. I don't want you spending months and months and years. I'm talking a day or two. That's how I work. Internet, it likes speed, right? You click, bam, I want it fast. TikTok, left, right, scroll up, down, boom, boom, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, miss. Or thank you, sir. But anyway, everything I do is set up one time, click, watch a short video, let the video do the training. Even all the setup is all done by short video. I call it mirror. You just click something, watch on your screen for, 10 seconds, maybe a minute. Pause, go to another computer screen, just switch over and do whatever that video tells you to do for setting up. Okay? And the setup's easy anyway. I mean, the email that I send you to set up the back office, how I do, I don't even think it takes 5 minutes. Okay? I just want you to realize that a funnel works for me. It has increased my income by 1,000 with LiveGood. It's increased my weekly take home thousands and thousands of dollars a week with my Legacy Builders program. Okay? And with my lead gen, divide $2,500 by 4, there's like usually 4 weeks a month, right? It's putting a pile of cash in my pocket. Okay? And it's good to email if you're shy and you don't want to do a video like this. But you know what? There's tons of video already made. So if you join this funnel system, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how you use videos already made. Don't think you have to do what I'm doing now. I really enjoy talking to a webcam, obviously, by myself. Okay. But don't think you have to do video. There's tons of really great videos that all you can do is just post a link to those videos, and they'll take everyone by the hand and educate them. Tell you about the opportunity, how much. Okay, what does it do? And if people don't understand, they'll rewind the video and watch it again and again. And if people want to get a hold of you, good. That means they probably want to join, and you're on your way to making some money. There's nothing wrong with that, guys. Okay? I'm a big fan of funnel systems. I wish I knew about the funnel, but it took me about 6 months being in the online biz thing before I really was presented what a funnel is. And now I'm like, oh man, I wish everybody knew that a funnel takes people by the hand, takes them on a journey. Would you like this to complement that? Would you like a taco shell, soft or crunchy? You want meat, or you want maybe, I don't know, refried beans in your taco? Would you like cheese? Would you like sour cream? You like choices, right? But you want them all to kumbaya. You want them all to complement each other. I want people to join LiveGood. I want people to buy the training with Legacy Builders Group and Traffic Authority. I want people to email with my lead gen. Okay? And I want people to use this funnel to do so. Okay? It's just like going to a mall. You park one time, you shop at the mall, hopefully everything makes sense what you buy, and you get home and go, I can't believe that I bought these disco dancing platform shoes with a bright yellow Kyle Busch shirt that's about 25 years old. Okay. We all buy some crazy things at the mall, but you know what? Everything that I present to you that is for sale, it does complement everything that I recommend. And it doesn't have to be for LiveGood or my lead gen or any of my opportunities. Guys, what I sell is systems or technology or tools for any business. I don't care if you have a pizza shop. I just don't. I could name anything. I wish I was on a live Zoom right now. Come up with 10 different businesses and you bet your buns. How about both butt cheeks, the left and the right one? Even if they're saggy and jiggly. All right, they will definitely complement your business. But let's just cut to the chase, trim the fat. Let's get you learning, but I want you to be earning as fast as possible. Okay, you're not going to be by yourself, guys. There's plenty of support. Set up videos. I'll help you the best I can. Cory at CoryDraper.com is my email. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, comment below the video. I'll see your posts. And you can always find me on Facebook and inbox me. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you for your time. I know 20 minutes, that's a long video to kind of sit and hang out. I think I'm at the 19-minute mark, so maybe I'll shave off a minute and do a 19 video instead of a 20-minuter, okay? All right, guys, please watch video.com. Sit back, watch a short little video, make a decision, get a hold of me if you need something. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Peace and love. Bye.